Welcome to Karnavati University, a NAC A+ accredited university where diverse passions come together to build future-ready careers. A multidisciplinary ecosystem spanning design, management, technology, law, healthcare, media, behavioral sciences, and research. At United World Institute of Design, UID, creativity meets global standards across fashion, communication, product and digital design. At United World Institute of Management, UIM, future business leaders are shaped through industry-driven learning in finance, marketing, HR, and entrepreneurship. At United World Institute of Technology, UIT, innovation leads with programs in engineering, AI, data science, and robotics. At United World School of Law, UWSL, legal education blends strong foundations with real-world exposure. Karnavati School of Dentistry, KSD. Students gain hands-on clinical training to become skilled dental professionals. At United World Institute of Behavioral Sciences, UIBS, psychology meets real-world impact in mental health and human behavior. At United World Institute of Communication and Advertising, UICA, storytelling, branding, and digital media shape modern communicators. Karnavati School of Research, KSR, research drives innovation and real-world solutions. Backed by world-class infrastructure, 45+ advanced labs and studios, workshops, global exposure with overseas academic partners, strong placement network, and incubation support. KU empowers every ambition. One university, multiple pathways, endless possibilities. Karnavati University, where your future begins.